welcome back, guys. Brysco get arrested by the police. Also, Khago get a 160,000 fine from JPS. Stick around, we are going to talk about what the description says. Alright people, so before we do go any further, we'd just like to share the video with Brysco and the cops them. Tell me what you think if them a try stop it dog bread.
Waste my time, brother. You know I knock food off and I pick them table and that you know I do. Me have me interview them, me have my money them to go collect, and I knock food off and I pick the table. Brother, you know all test us the phone, brother. And that you know I do, brother, me I do the same thing, you know. I just want to go about my business, brother. And that you know I do. You know just a style off of my thing and you the record me, brother. You feel like me not see the record me, brother. But you the record me because you want to say, you know make my brother just let me go on, brother. I style thing on the depend, brother. You know record me, brother. You know style me, you the style me, you the record me, brother. But why you the record me? Why you the record me? Brother, you the style me and you the record me. But you the record me, brother. Because you start recording me. No, you can't take my phone from me, brother. You can't take my phone from me. No. You can't take my phone. But you the record me. You the record me because you want everybody to see. You want everybody to say, alright then. You lock me up, you style me, you let me ball, me emotional, and that's what they do, brother. A clout they run down. And that's what they do, I ain't pay to do it for you. See it? Why you take my phone from me, pa?
You're under arrest.
Make sure me share it to them so you can see for yourself. I don't see where them have against him for say them a lock him up. You see me? Me feel like them a target the man. From how they be a look thing a go on. But we are going to watch cause it look like him get free up already. You see me? Khago and the other end guys. Him get a 160 slap. You see me with JPS. But make you hear who inform.
9 months to have all that time stamp, but let me tell you something. You know, can't bring a good man down because it's not like me really a thief. Me thief part and me take and me a pay for part. You understand me? I say that. But now that me like that, me not thief none again. What I never do? Because we do have some of my ex-friend them who spot the day and watch a little thing run go down a chicken coop and sitting. I wanna talk. But I wanna do if I 160 grand that I could have in my pocket. I split between me and Uno. Yeah, but okay, sir. Okay. Majestic sound, me broke, me need some money right now because me watch JPS 160 grand dog. Me not tell you no lie. Me sing 2 dub plate for Majestic sound and so on can do for me an idea. 160 grand. How a boy like me can so salt? Ex-friend, not because me a Uno and no friend again, you know, act like I know Uno. I deal with me away and me have to cut on half my yacht. Uno have to tell JPS that me a thief like my yacht. And me alone a thief like. So suppose me say go out there's a JPS, go around this one, go over this one. Uno now go cause I don't know they have no money. But a style in our country is style it done. Like me I go afraid, yes, me thief little like. Me thiefy. Cause so could yourself and go. Make you not go down a mango stone, go cut off a mango stone. Go down a Tivoli, go cut off a Tivoli. So we alone supposed to carry all of the bills them. Dirty junk or JPS. And hey, sequence. Pass me that soul order, make me show you something. And me I rank somebody in a ramp with because me I tell you no, me I go show poor people how to deal with you know. Me I pay no $160 you know, just because the tenant them downstairs want light. But me no want no light. Like got light inside of me. Take off that piece of shit and let me show them. Take it off and show no dirty junk or this how me I walk with a nighttime pound. No. This a food no. Junk or this a food no light name. What not even fridge me not use because me an artist me not supposed to name cold food. This bitch, this. All poor people just run up to Mr. Chin and tell him say Khago, say if he sell you know. Couple of this. And carry go out in the street a man in the night time and put it down. And carry just catch up in your house so. Catch you up like a so. And lock off JPS and in light. Yeah, okay. Lock them off, just keep it fridge. We don't watch TV anymore neither. Cause nothing now go on pan it. I mean, I am put the 160 grand they go cost, you know. Because I go show poor people how to deal with, you know. I pay no money. Little by little, you know, say, come drop 30 grand, I go come drop 30 grand in my pocket. But this thing right here, this bitch right here, you don't need, like I share that video, you make Jamaica people see it. One pair of boot money this. Walk around with it, catch you up. We are go to bathroom, carry go to bathroom. You want to go in your closet, carry go in your closet. Catch it in your room at night time. I like me at a sequence, you know, they work downstairs.
Yeah, that I work, man.
I hit one I work up to see me. I hit the all around my house, you know. So if it is around my house, why cannot be inside? Whatsoever outside can come inside too, you know. Uno take poor people for idiot my out. Uno just come up with a price. But it is there for 9 months and we at me my out and you see a man with them a junk. Brother, you can't talk me about it, you know. Uno can't stop me about my out. All of uno a thief like. You know why me get somebody who work with JPS for driver, bomb buckle around and show say all of uno a thief. All of uno a thief like my out and me just hold it down. And say me not style, you know, because me bless the sequence put back this out of door because me know want later on. Yeah. They flap me, you know. Put you out of door, make it charge up. God say let there be light. And there we see that it was good. Poor people, you know, door after I just fridge alone, you know, supposed to have plug-in pan GPS light. Go down and Mr. Chin, go in any hardware store and buy a couple of them things. I want 4 or 5 of them and I can tell you, say, my lad, you won't burn that amount of wattage you spot them at talk about because they style it done. Because going on, all them for styling the artists. Then for you say Khago, me I go take it down. And they pass and see it all the while. But me do see one of a dirty ex-friend. And that's why we don't keep that thing there. Thing in your friend. What do you think you get out of it now? Look how me clean. Look how me clean. Look for me. Look for me. Look how me clean. Look for me boot. Look for me boot. Me clean, dog. And it's not like me a hype because I don't know how to do it. You can't stop me from clean my out. You can't stop me from clean. You make no sense. You make JPS I take $160,000 out of my pocket, my out. What do you think you get out of it? What do you think you going to get out of it? You not come in a phone pocket, you gone straight in a white man pocket. It better you did say, that Khago give me 10 grand. And you get it. Take it down Khago because your dirty friend them a walk and a talk. You understand? But what if me if we start walk and talk? What if we start walk? I understand say fridge. I just have to tell us all of them sitting there get plug out. Plug out. The tenant them want to use light for them light downstairs. $600,000 to pay if you put up the light post and string downstairs. Me no business about no light. Got light a shine inside of me. That 160,000. Oh yeah, I'm a shit tea bag them I look for it. I'm a shit tea this. 160,000. All sound man out there, me want 2W now. Me buy them in a Mandeville. All Jamaican need to have these things. When you come down off on no pumps or no pride. And just understand, say the rich man them have it in them solar. You just like how you see the man them a walk and sell the little thing where you plug in your phone if you can have current pan you. This is you just plug your put the panel with spotlight there shine pan it and the shine pan at night time at 6 o'clock come. Bam. Good day to all of you guys. Good day. As night come down it just bam and just light up. Let there be light in your life, people. We know have to appear so and some people know all of these things and they not tell you. And when you really come up on one piece of food, we are going to buy the one we start to plug in the fridge. 250 dub special right now because them are check me if you lock me up. And me too small so thick man they are prison we start to hold you and say Khago me understand. You did me understand the thing go. You want to put a tube for your jaw. And me have to go use my ice pricker and spricker man and me end up now go come from jail when I just 2 months with it go over there for. So Khago you don't understand. Yeah, that's all. I know, like, me, I know, me, I know, share with us, sir. So, me know to say, I walk a talk, say, I the world, me, I tell, say, me thief a little bit alike. But me no thief, me is not just, me is a half a thief. A half a thief, me half a thief, me never a whole a thief. It's not like, say, I best me studio did a run a fight and a chicken coop. Me nah say he did right, but at the end of the day, me nah say it is right for JPS a charge with so much neither. Everybody need for thief a little. Everybody need to just a fridge. And who that a work at JPS a send a sad face, I go send a sad face there underneath your girl. Or something. You understand? Because you can't see man at discuss a matter with, watch them. Oh, no sad. Poor people who no just wall off pan and Gucci bag there run going to Mr. Chin shop. You know what I know where they there? The cheap one they either around a lane. One place around a lane, one Chinese man have them like a rice pizza dash around and so. You understand? Thief and thief gotta laugh. And let me tell you, it will cost you no more than this 160,000. You should have just understand, say, Khago now go Wull down the 160 grand. You idiot, dirty JPS. Who no go and Mr. Chin run a lane my youth and run like a thief and tell him, say, yo, here what? Khago send we. Right round a lane, if a man, if you come over, he's up on the left hand side. Two little short Chinese people around there. Not like all of them no short. And them have it. And I can tell you, it's gonna save your money. It's gonna save you more than $160,000. Me just want to know, right there side there. And as a matter of fact, all of the place them have them are just because nobody now telling you how nice they is, dog. And true, we have them outside and act like we can't bring them inside. People just pull your window, man, and make some bomb and put it inside. And you see how we work nice and wonderful. We work magic from inside. I tell you nothing. I told me was say John could them walk and I tell people say, yeah, we thief light. The first day me fly out the other day, Khagonians. They send JPS come for me. And I say, okay, sir. I go suit to no sorrow. Me I go tell all of Jamaica say, yo, go in a any Chinese man place and buy these solar thing. And I can tell you, you never ever turn on back a light in your house again. You never, every morning, man, you put them outside. And as a matter of fact, you have them pan the edge of whisper outside just like anything else. I have that part inside of your house. Bammy come on at night time. Bam your bathroom window, bammy come on. And you have remote, can turn it off. You can turn it off too. What the cost? 14 grand, 15 grand. Yeah, and as I say, Khagonians, you buy 2 of that Khagonians we have inside. See, in any whisper, you have one in your kitchen. And if you make some bombs and you want, if you can move around, you move in my youth and put it there so. And you go around there, so you move it and put it around there. So if you go over there, so Khagonians. You remember when a buckle torch we used to use in our house? You remember when a lamp we have to use and candle? And you remember buckle torch we used to use solar panel, run over Mr. Chin. Go over Mr. Chin fast, fast, fast. Can you imagine me always about Mr. Chin? I know me have to recommend Mr. Chin too.